Welcome to GC Reddy Technologies. A small overview about IT, information technology. First one, what is information technology? What is information technology? Short form is IT. IT, information technology, refers to the development, use and maintenance of computer software, systems and networks. Software, hardware and network. In another definition, the technology involving the development, use and maintenance of computer and software for the processing and distribution of information. Here three things. One is computer. Computer is hardware. Next, software. Next, network. Nowadays network is more important. Computer, software, network. Say computer. Computer is hardware. Hardware to run software. Okay. Next, software. Software to perform specified business operations. It is for to perform specified business operations. Next, network. If it is private network or public network, LAN or WAN, it is for communication. See, these three things are important in information technology. Computer, software and network. Nowadays, information technology is growing not only for computers, other devices like mobiles. Say, earlier, only computers for information technology. Now, we can use mobile devices also for information technology. Mobile net banking. Using mobiles, you can conduct banking operations. Suppose e-commerce. Suppose if you want to purchase goods from Amazon.com, you can use computer or mobile app also there. So information technology is not only for computer devices, also for mobile devices. See, computer, software, network. Next, device, mobile. Here mobile is hardware. Next, mobile software, mobile network. See, computer and mobile devices are contributing to information technology. Next, development, testing and maintenance are required for computer software as well as mobile software. We have different types of computer software. Command line applications. Say, types of computer software. I am not discussing about system software, application software, programming software like business types, general types, usage types, CUI based applications. command user interface applications, old applications. For example, DOS. DOS is command line operating system. Next, GUI, graphical user interface applications. GUI, we have two types. One is desktop, another is web applications, browser based applications. Next, types of mobile software. Types of mobile software. Native, mobile native applications. Next, native applications as like computer desktop applications. Next, web applications, browser based applications, or you can say web apps as like computer web applications. Next, hybrid applications. Hybrid applications. Say, hybrid applications also like native applications, but they use web environment. Next, most of the mobile web applications are clone of computer web applications. Observe this point. Most of computer web applications are not computer. Most of mobile just a minute. Mobile web applications are clone of computer applications. Computer applications. Suppose if you want to purchase some goods from Amazon.com or Snapdeal.com or Flipkart.com, for that you can use computer web application or mobile web application also there. Mobile version also there. Most of the computer web applications having mobile versions. Suppose if you want to conduct any online banking operations, for example ICICIbank.com or SBI.com, you can use computer web application or mobile version, mobile web application. Okay. Say for computers and mobile devices, device different. Software also some small variations, but most of the time functionalities are common. For computer software, development, testing and maintenance. For mobile software also, development, testing and maintenance. Next, computer software applications can be tested manually as well as using automation tools. Manual testing and automated testing are test automation. Mobile software also, for mobile software applications also, you can use manual testing or automated testing. Nowadays, APM, Cell Android like test tools available for mobile